Good evening. Good evening, finally. Hello, Miss Marian. All right, before anything else, would love to say hi to all of the people watching us right now. Miss Marian?
Hello, good evening, everyone. Excited na ba kayo? Kung sino mapipili namin?
Oh,
Parang hirap no?
Masaya. Magandang gabi po sa inyo natin sa it's just an honor to be here. Judge.
Well, it is our honor and privilege to see you guys right here in the flesh, diba? I know you guys are busy all the time, got lots of things on your plate. Pero ano ba yung mga ilan sa pinagkakaabalahan nyo ngayon?
Ladies first?
Ladies first, of course.
Super bot!
Super bot!
Siyempre, unang-una yung pamilya ko dyan. Siyempre, sila yung top priority ko talaga. And then after, ayan, meron akong Sinimalaya na ipapalabas this coming August.
Can't wait for that one, definitely. At least right now, you got that toy truck out of your hair. I saw that footage coming from Sixto, di ba? Okay, that was a cute moment. And you, sir, I know you have a new sitcom.
Well, congratulations also, you just got married.
Thank you, and my wife is actually there.
Yeah,
That's my super partner.
There you go.
Okay. Thank you.
We just started doing our sitcom for the family. I'm finally working with my wife and my 2 kids. And then aside from that, I'm going to start filming this August, September for the Metro Manila Film Festival. And pagkatapos nila, noong 2019 kami, tapos sila naman, and then ako naman ngayon.
Uy, ang dami nga abangan talaga, no?
Masaya lang. And then it's also time with the family always, of course. And syempre, nagpapapayat para makasali sa Superbad.
Uy!
May pag-asa pa pala eh. Sabi nila, may nakita ako 52 years old. Kaya Goma!
Grabe ang ngiti ni Sir Goma, oh.
Kaya natin yan.
Can we expect you guys next year to join the Superbad?
Next year, ang tagal.
Kailan ba pwede magsimula?
Next month, ulitin namin to.
You've heard him from my favorite doctor himself, Doc Aga.
Thank you.
Okay, pero syempre, we go back to family and priority talaga ang family, no? But now you are part of this growing family with Century Tuna. Right now, you've been selected as the judge. Can you take us to that moment? Ano ba yung naging proseso at pakiramdam nung nag-contact kayo or kinontak kayo ng Century Tuna to be the judge for the evening?
Well, siguro, ang unang pumasok sa isip ko, alam kong mahihirapan ako. Kasi kanina pa lang, tinignan ko isa-isa, sabi ko nga kay Kuya Aga, paano tayo mamimili? Pwede bang lahat sila panalo na? Kasi ang basta parang pinaghandaan, nakaka-inspire. Tapos behind that, yung mga kwento sila eh. So yun yung mga gusto ko din malaman kung bakit nila ginawa at bakit sila sumali.
Actually, yun yung maganda, presence and essence, the fitness and the fundamentals. Diba? How about you, Sir?
Well, it's the same thing sa akin. Parang, everyone worked hard and I know what it takes really to parang maging ganyan ka. And katulad sa akin, I'm coming from umabot ako ng 250 pounds and I'm trying to cut back. So it's mahabang proseso. It's tough, it's hard, but it's doable. So I know how it feels. So congratulations to all the Superbods here.